To graph this log equation, you'll again want to get the logarithm by itself on one side and y on the other, and then rewrite as an exponential. So locate the base of the logarithm, and that becomes the base of your exponent, in this case 2. The power is what the logarithm is equal to, so in this case y, equals the argument, that's the part inside the logarithm, which is x minus 1. Solve for x by adding 1 to both sides of the equation, and you now have an equation solved for x. So when we go to graph this and make a chart, rather than plug in for x and get out y values, you're going to plug in for y and get out x values. So again, pick a few negative numbers, a few positive numbers, and then plot those. So if I plug in the number positive 2 in for y, I get 4 plus 1 is 5. If I plug in the number 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, and a 0, 2 to the 0 power is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. If you plug in a negative 1, 2 to the negative 1 is the same as 1 over 2, so we're adding 1 plus a half, or getting 1 and a half. 2 to the negative 2 is the same as 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. So we get 1 plus a fourth, or 1 and a fourth. And then graph those points, and then take a look at the graph. So we've got these points. At 1 and a fourth, it's down to negative 2. At 1 and a half, it's down to negative 1. At 2, it's at 0. At 3, it's at 1. And at 5, it's up to 2. And so this function comes in looking like this. And that's the graph of y equals log base 2 of x minus 1.